Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to investigate the strain energy. Let's recall what's the strain energy. Actually, work is done when a specimen is stretched. If the specimen stretches in an elastic way, it stores energy. It stores the energy transferred to it. When the load is removed, the specimen returns to its original dimensions. The stored energy is released. The energy stored in an elastically stretched specimen is called the strain energy. Its value can be calculated from the area under the load extension graph. We will click Definitions to check the definition of strain energy. So the strain energy is defined as the energy stored in an elastically deformed object, and it's measured in joules. This strain energy is equals to the area under the load extension graph, as shown in this graph right here.